I created a load of little silk-wrapped hammers, and this is one of these. Nat King Cole. There was a boy, very strange, enchanted boy, and he wandered very far, over land and seas. Little shy Spanish eyes, see, very wise was he. Then one day, yeah, magic day he passed their way. See, and he spoke of many things, fools and kings. And this is what they said to me. You're weird. You wear the wrong clothes, you're definitely the wrong fucking colour, you're preaching the wrong religion, and you're kissing the same fucking sex! So they hung this poor man from a tree until his flesh fed the earth. They tied him to a cross and burnt him alive until their ears bled from his fucking screams. Then they tied each limb separately and ripped him to the four corners of their flat fucking earth. Because you see, these people have forgotten one thing humanity can never, ever forget. Ooh. The greatest gift one can ever learn is just to love and be loved in return.